Happy New Year, everyone! So glad you're here. Today we are kicking off the new year with our brand new Fresh Start release. So I'm super excited to share our box of the month, our stamp and die of the month, our paper pad club of the month, and the items that you can purchase individually on the website. We have a brand new Freewood 60. So we have our Grunge and Grit enamel dots. Now these don't have sparkle in them. These will be part of a bundle that will be coming out in February. So we're going to have a masculine release, and it's going to be super cute bundle. So you get a taste of it with these colors here. But I thought these colors matched really nicely with the papers from this month. So I thought I'd release these a month early, so you can start collecting these, and it'll go with your masculine makes when you purchase the bundle next month. So once your order hits $60, that will pop into your cart. For our box of the month, I do have a couple of spots open. If you want to grab that, be sure to subscribe if you want to reserve your February box. So there'll be a drop-down menu. You choose monthly for your frequency, and that will get you into the club. You'll save 18% off when you do that, and you will also get a juicy discount to the shop. I will send that with your box. So there's 3 stamp sets in the box of the month. We have Fresh Blooms, really pretty, nice florals. The sentiments read, joy in every bloom, fresh blooms, fresh beginnings, with love. And then we have this really cute Crazy Planner Lady stamp set. So we've got coffee and stickers, make it happen, stickers, pens, and washi. Washi life, plan your stress away, fresh start, new goals, today's the day. Crazy Planner Lady, if it's not in my planner, it didn't happen. So really nice set. And then this one you're gonna love. This is the Inside Birthday Greetings. So you get these nice large greetings to put inside your card. If you don't know what to say on the inside of your card, just stamp one of these out and you are good to go. So let me read a few of these. Wishing you a birthday filled with love, laughter, and all the things that bring you joy. Here's to another year of making wonderful memories. We've got another year older, another year wiser, and another year more amazing. Wishing you a day full of love and a lifetime of happiness. So I love this stamp set. It is so useful. I hope you'll find that useful. We have soft blue florals. What a pretty paper pad this is. If you go back and watch all my sneak peeks, I go through all of these products individually, so you can flip through this pad and the ephemera. This one is called Fresh Start. Really pretty. So you can see the theme going on with these beautiful light greens, creams, light blue. So pretty. The Party Critters goes really nicely with that soft blue florals. You can get these on the website individually if you're not able to purchase the box of the month. The critters in here are just so cute, and I'm going to show you some cards. My mom went crafty crazy, and she just was crafting like nonstop. She had so much fun. She's still here, and she'll be here till I think the 4th. So we're going to be just crafting away. This one has a lot of planner elements, like little planners and pens, and just really cute images. I'll show you the cards that I did. So I did this one, coffee and stickers. This one, a girl writing in her planner with coffee and a lamp. It says, plan your stress away. And then this one, fresh start, new goals. I used that really cool vintage alarm clock. This is a new digi that I have up on the website. And if you sign up for my YouTube channel membership, you can download her for free. I have a coupon code in the community tab where you can grab that and then get her for free. Here's a card using that Fresh Blooms stamp set that's in the box of the month. Really, really pretty. Oops, you didn't see that. That is a sneak peek coming up for quarterly release. So here's another one. I really like this one with the large sentiment as my focal point. I have the little planner and pen there. Okay, and then I have some cards my mom did using the soft blue florals paper. So she used that in the background. She did mix and match with another design. She used some pink gingham. And it turned out super cute with that cute little giraffe. And then here's another one that she did. She used the It's My Birthday, so this is from the Stamp and Die of the Month. I'll share that in a minute. With that blue florals paper and that cute little ephemera pack. And that ephemera pack is called Party Critters. And then she did this card also using some different papers. She used part of the blue florals, and then she used a watercolored paper from a different paper pad, and this one from another paper pad. She did use a piece of ephemera with the sentiment and that cute little elephant. Now this design, she saw Tracy's Not Afraid of Color, her card, and my mom fell in love with it, so she wanted to case her card. And she didn't know that she used the Easy Wonder Die #1 to create it. So she was like just trying to replicate it, but with different dies from my stash. So I think she did a pretty good job. And speaking of Tracy, head on over to the blog. There'll be a blog post announcing our new design team for 2025. And we are going to be doing a super fun hop with a very generous prize. It's going to be a mystery bundle worth $70. So there's going to be a winner for that. International can play too, but if they win, it'll be a $25 gift certificate, just because there's so much product that the shipping will be really expensive to ship internationally. So we're going to do a gift certificate for you. We didn't want to leave you guys out, but there's going to be a super fun hop. So make sure you're following our Instagram, which is Not Too Shabby Shop. So I'll have it on the screen how it is, because it's a not, an underscore, the number 2 underscore shabby underscore and then shop. Follow us over there so you get the notification for when this hop begins. And we'll be introducing each member of the team. So let's share the Stamp and Die of the Month. So we have Party Animals. Really cute set, perfect for birthdays. Our die does come on a magnetic sheet, so you can easily store this away after you've snipped away all of your pieces. You can purchase this as a one-time purchase or subscribe. And when you subscribe, you get 18% off, and your stamp and die will be delivered to you every 30 days from the date you purchased. I did make a slimline card using this. So super, super fun. I had fun coloring in the cute little critters, and I used the sentiment, let's potty. So that was fun. And you'll be seeing a lot of projects throughout the month using all of these products from our design team. So we'll have links so you can subscribe to everyone. When you head on over to the blog, you can click on those links. And then we have the Paper Pad Club of the Month, which is one of my favorite subscriptions because you get 2 awesome paper pads. One of the paper pads normally has some cutouts on the inside, so if you don't opt in for the coordinating ephemera, there's some images you can cut them out and use them for focal points on your cards. I'll open that up so you can see the cute little images. And then these little critters, they're pink and blue birthday critters, and they're so cute. Let me show you the cards. I used the soft florals paper for this one, and look at that fox, so cute. And then on the other side, I have another card, and then this one's more feminine. And I love that cute little bunny. Now these are the cutouts on the inside of that paper. So, isn't he cute? So cute. That one's in there. I fussy cut this rose for this card here. I used some crinkled seam binding, the cute little fox from the paper pad, and just lots of layers. On this card here, I matted my elephant on a scalloped oval. Really super cute. And then here's another one. I just love those images. Also today, head on over to Cards by Kendra. She is featuring her new card challenge this month, and she is featuring one of the collections from Not Too Shabby. And it's going to be a surprise because I don't know which collection she used. It's one of our new ones from this release. So head on over and check out the beautiful cards that she made. So I'm going to pop open this sheet here so you can see how gorgeous. We'll be doing our design team hop on the 10th, so you'll get lots of inspiration for these products. You do get 4 sheets of these cute little critters. I've already used one of them, but how beautiful is that? The printing is gorgeous. I just love it. Look how pretty. So, so pretty. I love that. Love that one. There's a gift card holder and a few tags I want to share that my mom made. This gift card holder here is a take on Letty's tutorial from the Fall Life retreat. My mom said, what if I don't glue the bottom? Because it's supposed to be like this, so it could stand up and you can display it. I'm like, oh, that's a good idea. I'm like, go ahead, see if you can, make it like that. So she just, figured out the measurements to do that, to do the little belly band in a triangle shape. And so now you can display this by standing it up. She didn't cut the slit yet where you're supposed to put the gift card holder, so when you open it, it kind of pops up. But I just wanted to show you how cool is that. Right? How pretty is that? So this is the collection from the Paper Pad Club of the Month. Watercolor Roses. You can only get this in the Paper Pad Club of the Month. Leftovers will be listed next month. You are able to purchase the Paper Pad Club of the Month as a one-time purchase. But when you subscribe, you get 18% off, which is an amazing deal. So I thought this was super cute. So thank you, Letty, for inspiring that project. And then she made these really cute gift tags with little pockets in the back. So you can put a little gift card in the back or something like that. And these are all using soft florals. She did mix this one with the paper from Fresh Start. And then she did mix this one with paper from Christmas Plaids number 2 on the bottom here. So really, really cute. So she did a great job. And I can't wait to see what the design team has come up with. So I hope you guys had a really nice New Year's Eve. And I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for shopping, guys, and take care. Bye, guys.